So for all the folks who placed a pre-order for 300 parts, that order is paid for and should be shipping from Japan, hopefully sometime this week, give or take, like in the next couple days, I would assume. And they told me originally that they were raising their prices November. Well, it's November, and now they're telling me they're raising their prices by 10 to 15%. It's going to be variable depending on the product. It's not set across the board. December 1st. And of course, I have people asking me about parts that they're interested in after pre-orders closed. That's how it is sometimes. You know, people who, I guess, didn't get it in on time, or maybe saw my car after with the parts and now it pushed them over. But I'm willing to do another import to try and lock in the current pricing for you guys, because a 10 to 15% increase on already pretty expensive parts. 300 quality is absolutely insane. I helped at the shop to install the front lip, the rear diffuser, the side skirts, the duckbill. I helped them with all of that. Even the wide body, I was there with them doing it. So I can say firsthand experience, not only the quality of the build and the material, the carbon fiber, the way it's made, the dry carbon is amazing visually, but the fitment is crazy, crazy, crazy good. And it literally takes no more than 5 minutes to install each piece. That's how good it is, because you don't have to worry about fitment. It's just pulling off some double-sided tape, laying it on, and then a couple tap screws, which I have a video on that. Maybe I'll put together if people are interested in, just in case they're worried or they want to see, you know, the details on installing it. But if there is enough interest, this needs to be, I'm talking super, super quick, like a 2-week open pre-order, place your orders, and then I can put them in and import this second one from Japan for you guys. And this would be for all the products, from the wide body to the carbon fiber bits to the, do they have the interior for the 124? They have it for the 500, even the 500 Abarth, they got a ton of them. But yeah, if you're interested, drop a comment and let me know, because I'm only gonna do it if there's enough interest. It's not gonna be worthwhile unless the import is large enough, because that's how I'm able to give you guys a cheaper cost on the product and much, much cheaper shipping, because I eat the shipping on the import, and then I can just charge you guys shipping from US to US. So definitely let me know.